We have Clark here, owner number 1. Brad is number 2, and me number 3.
Yeah, you're upside down.
And so this guy was in a special container, right? A space, right?
In which airplane?
SVB.
Yeah.
SVB. And it says here to open, tear at slit. But because we're listening to Clark and he doesn't want to open it, we're going to cheat it and use a really cool idea of Angie. Yeah, don't tear it. Try and just do it with.
Why not get a knife and?
No, because if we tear it, we're not going to damage anything. Yes, sir. So live, we can all enjoy what's in there. 2017, 18. All right.
First aid outfit, aircraft.
Okay, so it wasn't made specifically for the SV.
It's in lovely
4.
shape, though.
It is.
Imagine you're all bloody and you're opening this up middle of the
There
field.
we go. A.M. H.E. Curtis and Sons Limited, 1942.
Wow. AM is Air Ministry, of course. The Brits have done it to us again.
So here's a...
Instructions.
turn more light on.
Yeah, I'm sure when you're all bloody, you're not taking it. Oh, it's in French.
It's in French.
Guys, you guys are...
Oh, we need your help, buddy.
Oh, here's the English side.
Oh, there's the English
French
side.
side, English side.
Awesome.
So, kit, first aid aircraft, and aircraft dinghy, large. I think you may be right. There may be a dinghy in there. We have a couple types of creams, lozenge, hydrochloride, cyclazine hydrochloride.
That doesn't sound good.
tablets.
That's the military
Bandages.
treatment for syphilis.
Bandages, dressing, gauze, pins, safety pins, first aid kit, scissors, stationery. We have antiseptic cream for wounds and burns. And it was signed, checked by, 1966.
64, I think. No, maybe.
Could be.
So the bag came from 1942, and
It was checked completely.
And it was replenished, seriously, isn't it? Right? This is so cool. So this was not opened since 1966.
All right. What do we got? March 1961, a batch of... I need my glasses. You're free to get in there.
Brulidine. Go ahead. And then this is
This is, more Brulidine.
whatever that is.
September 1959. That's good and fresh. 1959. More Brulidine.
more handy
You
size.
never have too much Brulidine.
Yeah,
More Brulidine.
never heard
Oh
of
my
that
goodness.
before.
What do we have here? We have insect repellent cream.
Hey, open it. Oh, it's cream. Can we open it?
Oh, they're in little individual tubes. Jammed in
Well,
there.
the Brits were out, still doing the world here. They were fighting in Malaysia and whatever.
Insect repellent cream. Absorbent gauze, and that's sterilized compressed gauze. And it's somewhat a waxed.
Actually, let's see how it was packed. Make sure we put it back exactly.
1956. All right, sure. So we'll put these together. My goodness. All right.
Curl up here.
Yeah,
We have cotton wool, compressed absorbent, 1963.
You gentlemen, make sure you thank Bob for...
Cotton wool. And the bottom, triangular bandages, compressed khaki,
So you
March
guys,
1962.
You should review this over appetizers because you're gonna throw our whole night off.
Okay, we're just about
1 minute? Is that okay?
I don't know.
Okay.
bandages.
And if you don't know, we'll
Bandages.
drink everything. We're on it.
What we have here, medium burn, standard dressing,
I want to see the dinghy.
1962. Those are stacked like that. Safety pins, sterile scissors. Oh, look,
Sterile scissors.
they're all waxed. It's in dipped. The whole thing is dipped in wax.
Awesome.
Wow.
Oh, is that the morphine?
Is this the morphine or the cyanide?
Cyanide.
Sickness tablets. Hydrochloride, air, and sea sickness tablets. There's the morphine.
You're kidding.
Morphine sulfate.
Is it like pills?
Well, it's got different settings, so it's like a tri-light,
No, it's the powder.
Wow.
Oh my God.
You can use it like nose candy, huh?
Oh, so if you give it to a patient, you can record that, sign for it.
Oh my God.
So is this another one over here?
Never have too much morphine.
Same thing, like.
Wow.
Well, this looks good with it.
Where's the dinghy?
Yeah, perfect.
Maybe this is the
Patience, patience. Morphine. So there's 3 morphines in there.
So what's that thing that looks like a sausage?
Makes it. Yeah, different.
It's the tube to inflate the the missing.
I do not know what that is.
For doing stomach.
No, it may be a dinghy. Like if we took the tape off here and pulled this middle part,
What?
pull that middle part. I don't want to take it out, but this comes out of a, looks like it comes out of a sheet.
And that's the large dinghy. Imagine a small one.
I don't know if this is a dinghy. Let's just-
Oh my God.
Okay, the packaging is going powdery mode.
Yeah. It sounds.
What's in the packaging? Maybe there's better stuff in there.
Oh God.
Yeah, let's not take a sniff.
So important. If contents of
Say that again, please.
if contents of ampule morphia syringe are stated on the label to be morphia, grade 1/2, only half of the contents of the ampule should be injected for first aid purposes.
I wouldn't like that to
Awesome.
be injected into me. It's a bloody pill.
Okay, the other thing you ladies need to know is that on the package, it says first aid kit and 1 large dinghy.
dinghy. And there's this in there.
Oh, good God.
Let's go with the light.
What's that? Oh,
Well, that's a large dinghy, I'm guessing.
Werner thinks it's a hot
Yeah,
dog.
where do you put it?
The only thing I think is it seems like you can pull this.
Try and go
But if
on
I
that.
pull it, you don't want me to do that, do you?
Do we?
I don't
You
think so.
think that is the dinghy? That's the weirdest dinghy I've ever seen.
It'll sure scare. I don't know.
If it's gonna break,
It's just
if it's gonna break, it's no fun. Can you imagine you're like trying to swim, pull that thing off when you're drowning?
And it's. Ooh,
What's gonna break? That
Yeah, if it breaks, that's no fun.
I don't know. I think we should leave that one, but
Very good.
But maybe that's just supposed to hook onto something like a belt or something. To drag your buddy through the forest.
It seems hollow there. It seems completely hollow.
on the log sleigh that
hollow.
you make them because he's got a broken leg. You gotta get to safety.
But if it's that old, the rubber's probably.
I don't
Couldn't
know.
be like a tourniquet. Where's that? The description.
Is it Bluetooth ready, you think?
That was
Fastening the stretched tube under.
Okay, wait a second. I'm sorry. Start that again, as if you just started.
Okay.
Okay, cut, roll.
So the Samway tourniquet is to control severe bleeding. Directions for use: apply to limb over clothing, tighten until bleeding is controlled, and secure by fastening the stretched tube under both flukes of the anchor device.
Oh, okay, that's the anchor.
Note: if tourniquet is applied with insufficient tension, it may increase the bleeding from a wound.
Oh, great.
It must either be applied with adequate tension or not at all. Most bleeding can be controlled by a firm pad and bandage if combined with elevation of the part. A tourniquet should be released at 20 minutes intervals. If copious bleeding ensues, it must be reapplied immediately. If bleeding does not follow, remove the tourniquet, which need not be reapplied but should be retained in readiness for immediate use should the wound recommence to bleed severely.
Wow.
Or, in French, pour artère hémorragie grave. Appliquez sur le membre par-dessous les vêtements, serrer jusqu'à ce que l'hémorragie s'arrête.
Yeah,
Etc.,
nice try, but
etc.
yeah, I think that's a failure. Sorry. It's just about sharing.
Oh.
I was supposed to hook it.
Angie, can I do something?
No, I think everything else is ready to go.
This is still functioning.
That
Really well.
Too tight.
No, it's fine. Well, it's tight. It's supposed to be tight, and I guess it's
But that's
only
what the fluke is for.
awesome.
It wasn't a pull handle at all.
No, it makes
Well, you could
perfect
use
sense.
it for that, I suppose.
All right, there we have it.